All along, me say. Me put the, me a go laugh, but me a fi call Tracy first. Unu come like unu never know say eyebrow friend. Me swear Tracy there. Me rasta down over here. Me a say, and the lady say, eyebrow friend and unu. Well on there. And when he look like they know say eyebrow friend it name, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, Tracy, you reach up there?
Yeah. Go right there, sir.
Ask them if they, hold on, ask them, one lady just called me, she said if them can give you some eyebrow friend.
Don't put it on the paper here. Some eyebrow friend?
Yeah.
I wouldn't go to the doctor, may I ask you. May I should have said no to the doctor. May I call her back?
Alright.
Yeah.
Rasta down to take me to one act up on ya. So me tell Tracy. So she said she go talk to the doctor. So make we they need to give her so when John Chopper go and talk get for me not done clarify it already. Eh? Do not put me in no TikTok, you know. Cause I think I did blue for me never know eyebrow friend. Oh, somebody a call back. The lady a call back. Hold on. She hang up. From master suit to blouse and skirt. Yes, well at least we learned something for you tonight. So, and what me say? You don't really have me over here say a blue friend and me never know say eyebrow friend. All along, all of my life, a blue friend, me call it. So, blue friend 400. The painkiller. Yeah, man, I tell you, I eat them call eyebrow friend. You have the 251 and you have the hold on the phone and ring. Let me see, I go on in a John shop, yeah. Let me see what I go on. Hello? Eh?
Auntie Donna, ibuprofen. Ibuprofen.
Then what me say?
Auntie Donna said ibuprofen.
Ibuprofen.
No, pro. Like
Oh, ibuprofen.
O-I.
Wait. What you say?
Ibuprofen.
Ibuprofen.
Fin.
Oh, ibuprofen. So I know ibuprofen.
Yes.
No. Don't do me a beg, no, please don't put me in no TikTok.
And she do not give anybody medication advice on
yeah, me not give nobody no. You're mad.
Ibuprofen will allow her to bleed more, so don't listen to anybody.
Me master, I forgot to tell them to go give woman pitney ibuprofen. No, sir.
Says ibuprofen. Ibupro.
Oh.
As in pro athlete.
Ibuprofen. Friend.
Like how you said fish fin. Like the fin.
Ibuprofen.
Yes.
Oh, me get it here now. Ibuprofen.
Alright.
Somebody said, yeah, but them I say brufen correct. So like you not tell me the right.
Well, there's probably something like that. I don't know, but everybody was trying to correct you in the comment section, and saying the ibuprofen.
Oh.
So maybe there is something named what you were saying, but because there's so much ibuprofen in the comment section, which a lot of people were saying she don't.
Why, Father God, I want me take myself come in a Facebook at 2 o'clock night time. For people go put me up in a sitting and then set over here wait to put me up in a sitting. Eh? Me Rasta Jah.
We love you now.
Alright.
Don't worry, we love you.
Alright, bless you.
And I just wanted to say, like, with everything that's going on, the dream I had,
yeah,
you're gonna rise above everything. So I just sit back and I watch, and I love you. I watch you for a year now. And I appreciate everything that you're doing in Jamaica.
Alright, please me I beg you, want to put out an international plea fire. Please don't make them do no TikTok with me tomorrow. Do. Cause miss me mouth, Mr. Rasta Jack. Alright.
It's all fun and game. I will
Me
love
know,
you.
yeah, but
And if you look at the picture, I sent you some picture today with you and Joseph.
yeah, me see it and me like, oh, you get them, you screenshot it?
Yeah, I screenshot them and sent it to you.
Alright, thanks.
Alright, take care. Love you. I'm still watching.
Yeah. Hold on. Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yeah?
I'm trying to reach Auntie Donna.
Speaking?
Yes. The lady was talking to you about ibuprofen, ibuprofen.
Me Rasta Jawana that lady come around here. Where you say ivory what?
Ibuprofen. And the other one named buffering. But I think you're mixing up the both of them. Yeah? There's one named buffering and one named ibuprofen.
Look here, me no want cuss nobody was for here tonight, cause me no cuss bad words. I bet you make me stick to brufen. Before me
and the word Massachusetts.
Me say, I make you make me stick to the word when me no make me call it brufen for it. Some say me say brufen, some say me say brufin, some say a brufin like a fish. Me can't take them there for plank. Make me stick to what me know, master. Make me stick to what me know I used to. Alright? Yeah.
Bless up.
Alright. Do me a beg you no TikTok. Good night. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, good night.
Hi, Donna. How are you?
I'm fine.
I love you so much. Don't let them confuse you. There's ibuprofen and there's brufen.
Oh,
brufen is for like arthritis, for inflammation.
Oh.
That kind of pain. And the ibuprofen is like for headaches and other kind of pain.
Oh.
Don't let them confuse. There's two of them.
Oh.
Ibuprofen.
Yeah, yeah. I wonder if you don't know so nobody can put me on no TikTok tomorrow.
Exactly.
Alright.
Don't let them confuse you.
Yeah.
Donna calling from Florida.
And yeah, but you have one named Martin too, you know.
Motrin.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, me know that one there. Rasta Jam, me say Martin or something. Alright, love you. Why me I come on 5 phone, you know, because me not make you take. You never know I have one name of Finn or something. Yeah. Oh.